Nnewi, often called the Japan of Africa, is a hub of innovation and entrepreneurship. This vibrant town in Anambra State is famed for its manufacturing powerhouses, with businesses that churn out everything from auto parts to household goods. The people of Nnewi have long embraced the spirit of enterprise, building legacies through sheer hard work and ingenuity. You find stories of small businesses growing into empires and families whose livelihoods have flourished from their dedication and keen business sense. But today, the spotlight is on Owerri Road in Nnewi. The road, a significant route bustling with activity, is now facing a major transformation. The government has initiated a project for its dualization, which promises to boost accessibility and infrastructure, but not without some temporary setbacks. Owerri Road was buzzing with tension as shop owners started coming to terms with the reality of the demolition. Some were already removing attachments from their stores, doors, windows, and other fittings in anticipation of the next phase. It's clear that this road expansion, while a move towards progress, is impacting the local business landscape. Before now, there have been complaints and a series of negative sentiments from the community about how Nnewi has been neglected by Governor Charles Soludo. Now, Nnewi is finally receiving the attention it deserves, with projects aimed at improving infrastructure and fostering development. The proper demolition of permanent structures marked for removal is set to begin in just a few days. While the hope is that this development will ultimately enhance commerce and transport in Nnewi, the current scene is one of mixed emotions. On one side, there is hope for improved infrastructure that will benefit the town in the long run. On the other side, there's the undeniable strain as people grapple with the changes to their businesses and livelihoods. We'll keep you updated as the demolition progresses and bring you more stories from the heart of Southeast Nigeria. Stay tuned, and if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ebony People TV for more updates on what's happening around the Southeast and beyond. See you in our next video.